no doubt that that is the most non-stop talking I've done in some time. It's morning, excellent. So what I can do is take my label get. I don't think he doesn't have a name. I forgot to look back episodes. I know people have suggested names, so I'm gonna have to pull up one of them to name him. I should try to do that before very long. And wow, is that a zombie in gold armor? It assuredly is. I hear you. Come on. You still burn, right? Does he not burn anymore? Okay, interesting. I didn't know that they would be protected from burning. Alright, so anyway, let me just give a quick demo. Let me see, do I have my test? No, I don't have test on there. Alright, so the programmatic use. So let's say we want to go... Here, the spider. Let me actually... Get off me. Okay. Set. Sure, we'll just do that. I just don't want to lose programs in case I have to pick him up or something. He'll get a real name in a little bit. So edit, test. So in here, the T API is automatically loaded, so I can say init location. That takes care of that. So then I say T go to, and then here's where, let's pick a coordinate. So let's see, 245, 70, 236. 245, 70, 236. And then actually let's, I'm gonna have to give him fuel. I'll check that in a second. And let's give him another coordinate to go to, just for fun. And we know he'll move in the X and Z planar before moving vertically, so I can tell him to go down here, for example. And we'll call this 253. 253, 64. 253. He's 64, 253. Great. Let me save that. So he's got two go-tos. I think he's got some fuel. Yeah, this is one of my guys I was doing testing. Let me just give him one more. There, 143. That should be more than enough. So he should go, I don't remember exactly what coordinates I set, over here and go up 2, so he'll be like above my head. And then he'll immediately turn and go over that way. Oh, and one thing before I start. The current limitation on my API is that when turtles are due in a knit location, they need to be facing north. So that's something I gotta make sure of. So I just check my minimap, face him north there. So then from there we'll just say test, and he goes over that way. He goes forward a couple, he goes up to there. Oh, now he's gonna go get his next set of coordinates, going to the X, going to the correct Z, and then he'll go down to the correct Y. Doot. There we go. All of that. All that movement just from like 2 commands. That's amazing. And I can actually, oh boy, he would dig out a whole bunch of mess. I could make him do it though, but I don't. He might dig into the house. Yeah, he would definitely dig into the house. Probably shouldn't do that. But so like now, I could give him a go-to. So, you know, say, oops, lug, Lua, go to 253, 70, 253, and actually, I better not. I want to be able to reach him still. So then he'll go up. Okay, great. And now that should be... Yeah, he's high enough that I could... Exit, edit, test. Comment that out. Whoop. And now he'll go back to that first position again. I commented out the second one. Oh, is he gonna hit a torch? Nope, he just managed to miss it. I should have put something in his way just to show that he does dig. He does though. Just he does. You just take my word for it, right? Right. Okay, and what's sidekick here? Oh, he's loaded up with stuff. Some random stuff. Building up that cobble reserve again. So that covers all my API changes so far. Hey, did you give me? No, you didn't. Why didn't you? Sherman? What's the trouble? Let me reboot him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that woke him up. Alright. Cool. I don't know, some kind of a loading error. Not really sure what to say about that one. If it keeps plaguing him, if it comes back, I'll check into it. Otherwise, I think, yeah, I'll leave him. It's cool. All of this stuff's gonna continue to get, you know, better and more robust. So now I have a basic go-to. I think what I need to think about and plan more of. Well, for one, I do want to go back out. So here's my API, and here, where's this? This is the one on Sidekick. Now see, a lot of these programs, let me close this out. Log. All right, so that's on Sidekick. Let me pull up my directory structure here. I want these to be default programs. I don't want to have to copy them from computer to computer or anything like that. ComputerCraft challenge, computer 0. Here we go. Log and mine are the two biggies. So I'm actually going to go ahead and cut them out of there. And so we're going to go back to Lua ROM programs turtle and paste these in here. There we go. Now they're default on all turtles. Cool, huh? So you can see you got like craft, dance, excavate, go. Oh, I should rewrite go. Let's take a look at that quick. Language, Lua. Okay. Very cool. Now I might just rewrite this to use my API, because that would be immensely more useful, and it looks like it'd be really easy. Wow, it looks like it'd be really easy to make this use my API. I'm going to do that right now, because that is something that I had noted as a drawback, that I could not use the go command without screwing up the coordinates. So I'm going to go ahead and change that right now. And all I do is just change these to my API names, the function names. Turtle back, or t dot back. Back t dot up. Tuttle hat. Turtle down. Or t dot down. T dot left turn. T dot left turn. T dot right turn. T dot right turn. There, look at that. The Go command now uses my API. That's too cool. Let me just double check. I mean, but I'm pretty sure, yeah. Function handle equals the function from the T handlers that is a string to lowercase of S direction. Targs, go. Yeah. Yep. That's a really elegant program. This Go program, actually, look at this. Uses a table to store all the functions. Wow, that is nice. Well done, Dan. So anyway, I like that. Change that to use my API now. So now I really need to be careful with my API, I have to say. And the other, you know what's funny? And even in adding this, because my API automatically does fuel checks and refueling, so now this will automatically handle that as well. That is pretty sweet. What did I change in here? Why does that think I changed something? Did I change something? Undo. Oh. Yeah, I was... Okay. So I was just changing random nonsense to give examples. That's what it was. So, okay, cool. So let's go back to what I was looking at, and that is my log and mine program. Let's start with log, because that's simple. Change my language. Check fuel, don't need it anymore. Turtle.dig. Turtle forward. I don't need to check fuel. Turtle.dig up. T.up. Don't need to check fuel because this is all taken care of now automatically. There we go. Oh, except that's not turtle, that's T. Turtle dig. I should add some digs probably to my API, but that can be later. It doesn't necessarily doesn't necessarily really fit with the purpose of my API, which is movement and location tracking. So the digging we'll leave it as is for now. Yeah, I might add some more advanced functions to that thing eventually. But at any rate, this is rewriting my logging program to use my API. And actually, yeah, I don't even need that anymore because I don't care what the wood is anymore. I have so much fuel now that I'm not worried about being super efficient with all that. So yeah, this is dead simple program. And yeah, automatically refuel and everything. Super sweet. And then let's go take a look at mine. Now this one I need to be pretty delicate. Oh, and I've got like notes in here and everything. This has all been done for when I posted it on Turtle Scripts. So. Now see this, I actually don't think I'm going to touch this program. Because right now it's standalone, does its own fuel management, and it has RedNet messaging on that kind of event. So actually I won't touch mine. It makes me nervous. That thing is such a central program to how far I've actually managed to get. Okay. So now all that's moved over. So that means that this guy knows how to cut down trees. I should be... Well, I haven't necessarily accomplished a lot in this episode. But I've really gotten things set up now. And what are you smelting? Oh, I had this pause. I confuse myself with that sometimes. Oh, there we go, my food. Dinner. Yay. And what is he cooking now? Apparently that was enough iron. Oh, cool. Who knew? Put that away, put that away. I should put that away. Okay. It's a big mess. I need a butler turtle. Oh, sorry, I got distracted there. And with that, I do think I'm gonna go ahead and call this episode for now. I had a lot of talking, not a lot of coding this time. A lot of dying, which that's, it is what it happens. Sometimes it happens. It's not like Superman or anything. So, thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate everyone who's still sticking around through the ComputerCraft challenge. Next time, I am going to be trying to set up... I'm going to have to set up, basically, probably a relay console up near my GPS system, just so I have something that can communicate with turtles from, farther away than, like, 60 blocks. I need it to go, when it's up there at the top, it goes hundreds. 384 blocks, I believe it is. Yeah, it's insanely far, which is nice. So I'm going to be setting up probably like a relay console, similar to what the console I have in my little hidey hole is, but it's not going to be so much concerned with displaying things as it is going to be receiving messages and then relaying them on down to a surface level console here that I have easy access to, and which will be like the master console. And also then taking messages from the master console and relaying them back again to whichever turtle need be, and that's going to be the way I'm going to be issuing commands, telling turtles where they should be located, and it'll really start coming into its own with like the go-to command and stuff like that. I'll be able to really start to get turtles much more automated. Also, I mean that sounds really big now that I say it. I might also build a tree farm. That might be what you end up doing here. Tester. Which is your name so far? I never did find a name for him. Anyway. I can call him Paul, right? If he's going to be a tree farmer. Anyway, I appreciate you all watching. I'll see you next time.